Glossary of Economic Terms, Part 4. Reverse repo rate. Rate at which RBI sells dated government securities in the market through auction at fixed cut-off rate of interest. It absorbs liquidity and also provides short-term avenue to banks to park their surplus fund. Sales proceeds. It refers to the amount of money received from a particular event or activity or when something is sold. Samples. It is a subset containing the characteristics of a larger population. Self-consumption. Producers themselves consume the entire or a part of the output they produce is self-consumption. Social accounts. It is the process of measuring, monitoring, and reporting to stakeholders the social and environmental effects of an organization's actions. Speculation. Speculation involves trading in a financial instrument involving high risk in expectation of significant returns. The motive is to take maximum advantage from fluctuations in the market. Standardized items. It means products of the same type having the same basic features. Statutory liquidity ratio. Under Sector 24 of Banking Regulation Act 1949, commercial banks have to maintain liquid assets in the form of cash, gold, and approved securities equal to not less than 25% of their total demand and time liabilities. It has been revised by RBI from time to time. Subsidies. It is a sum of money granted by the state or a public body to keep an industry or business to keep the price of a commodity or service low. Tariff. Tariffs are used to restrict imports by increasing the price of goods and services purchased from another country, making them less attractive to domestic consumers. Trademarks. It is a symbol, word or words legally registered or established by use as representing a company or product. Transfer payments. It is a one-way payment of money for which no money, good or service is received in exchange. Governments use such payments as mean of income redistribution by giving out money under social welfare programs such as Social Security, old age or disability pensions, student grants, unemployment compensation, etc. Trends and tendencies. A pattern of gradual change in a condition, output, or process, or an average or general tendency of a series of data represented by a line or curve on a graph. Uncertainty. In economics, uncertainty implies that the future outlook for the economy is unpredictable. There is a high likelihood of negative economic events to occur. Undistributed profits of companies. Undistributed profits are those earnings of a corporation that have not been paid out to investors in the form of dividends. Venture capital companies. They provide commercial support to new ideas and for the introduction and adaptation of new technologies. Welfare economics. It is that branch of economics that seeks to evaluate economic policy in terms of their effects on the well-being of the community. Window display. It is a marketing strategy in which a systematic arrangement of articles is done in such a way that they attract the attention of those who pass by. List of abbreviations. ADR, American Depository Receipts. BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange. CGST, Central Goods and Service Tax. CRR, Cash Reserve Ratio. CSO, Central Statistical Organization. DFHI, Discount and Finance House of India. TFI, Development Financial Institution. EGEPC, Engineering Goods Export Promotional Council. GDP, Gross Domestic Product. GDR, Global Depository Receipts. GNP is Gross National Product. GST is Goods and Service Tax. ICICI is Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India. IDBI is Industrial Development Bank of India. IEPF is Investors Education and Protection Fund. IFCI is Industrial Finance Corporation of India. IGST is Integrated Goods and Service Tax. IIBI is Industrial Investment Bank of India. LAF is Liquidity Adjustment Facility. MMMF is Money Market Mutual Funds. NDP is Net Domestic Product. NEFT is National Electronic Fund Transfer. NNP is Net National Product. NSE is National Stock Exchange. OECD is Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. OPEC is Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. RTGS is Real-Time Gross Settlement. SBTS is Screen-Based Trading System. SEBI is Securities and Exchange Board of India. SFC is State Finance Corporation. SGST is State Goods and Service Tax. SLR is Statutory Liquid Ratio, and UTI is Unit Trust of India.